Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I am Rekha and you are watching my channel Crafty Noons. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you can see in this video, I am going to share very beautiful kitchen decor items which are made from waste material and with the things already available at home. These decor items are quite simple and easy to make. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For the first DIY, I have cut a round cardboard piece. Size is mentioned on the screen. You can use MDF board as well. I am pasting a white circular sheet onto it. I have used this flash tint to color the random shape on the board. Somehow I couldn't record that part of the video. When it gets dried, draw the shapes. Write down the quote as well with the help of pencil. You don't need to be specific. You can draw it as per your choice. This idea is inspired from Amazon kitchen decor item. This is quite easy and beautiful. I have drawn simple kitchen items onto it and colored them. I am using permanent marker to write the quote. You can use acrylic color as well. This is quite easy to make and you will love the process and the outcome is really amazing. If you are using MDF board instead of cardboard, then paint it with white acrylic color instead of pasting paper. The rest of the process will remain the same. And as you all know, I always prefer to use discarded and waste material in all my DIYs. It is budget friendly, but it is good for the environment as well. I make a jute braid and pasted it around the board with hot glue. You can paste it with double-sided tape. I hope you like this DIY. If you really like this, then please don't forget to like and share the video. So let's move to our second DIY. I have cut equal rectangular cardboard pieces. To make them thick, I pasted two pieces of cardboard together and secured with masking tape. I am covering it with black chart paper. In the same way, I prepared the three boards and covered them in yellow and white paper. I prepared some cutouts of spoon, fork and knife on thick paper and pasted them on yellow paper. This DIY is again very easy and made in no time. The process of making this is quite simple. Like cutlery, I have cut this wine glass but out of black sheet. To make these cuttings sturdy, I am pasting these onto thick sheet. Paste them all on the board with the help of double-sided tape to give them embossed look. First write with the pencil and then color them with the acrylic color. If you want, you can try this decor on MDF board as well. Instead of pasting paper, then you have to paint the board in desired colors. Whenever you see your home decorated with your self-made decor items, you feel overjoyed. And when someone praises you, then you know no boundaries, and that feeling is really awesome. Our DIY is completely ready. I pasted them on wall with the double-sided tape. If you like this DIY, don't forget to give a thumbs up. So guys, let's move to third DIY. For this, I have taken square pieces of cardboard. I have pasted black tape around the edges. This is the foam sheet which comes in packing of glass items and decor items. I cut it and pasted it around the board with the hot glue. This frame is going to be very beautiful and made totally out of waste. Now I am painting it with black acrylic color. You have to mix a little with water because the foam is absorbing the color. Now I am using yellow and green color as accent colors. Make the strokes with the help of these colors onto the frame, but keep in mind the brush should be dry. You have to do this process when the black color is dry. In the same way, prepare another frame. For this one, I am using mustard color as base. Take any old paper of a book or newspaper, cut it in the desired size and paste it as base. It's really looking very beautiful. Now draw the pattern using black permanent marker. Write the code with black marker. For another frame, I wrote a code on mustard paper and pasted it on the frame. I took little cutouts in mustard color and pasted on the first one. Now these frames are complementing each other. I feel very happy whenever I use waste items to create something beautiful. You can paste them onto the wall or wardrobe of your kitchen with double-sided tape. I hope guys you liked this DIY as well. If you really like, please don't forget to like and share it. For this DIY I am using an old frame, and as per the size of the frame I am using this paper. Simply write a quote of your choice with marker or sketch pen if you like. You can trace it or take a printout of the quote as well. I will try to give the link of all these quotes in the description box. Now pasted the same spoon, fork and knife cutouts as we have done in the previous DIY. It's really looking very nice and going well with the decor of my kitchen. For the next DIY as well I am using a frame. I am using the same color mustard paper here to give the theme to the decor. I am writing a code, and I actually wanted to create this decor item for my tea station. So I wrote a code related to tea. I cut these laser cuttings out of black paper and pasted it under the code. Fit it in the frame. Now you can see the outcome is really amazing, and we created it in no time. You can take the printout of all these codes from the internet. You can find them on Pinterest. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs created today. I actually used a common color in all of these DIYs to give a theme to my kitchen decor. These frames are quite unique and my favorite one, and made totally out of waste items. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon with more such home decor ideas and crafts. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, be crafty. Bye bye.